Close your eyes. Just for a moment. Take a slow breath. A gentle breath. You are safe here. You can take your time. This is CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. You do not need fast English. You do not need perfect grammar. Today, we practice simple questions. Simple questions for daily life. Sometimes you want to speak, but you feel shy. You feel unsure. That is normal. Many learners feel this. So today, we go slowly. We speak softly. We keep things simple. You only need small sentences. You only need calm words. You do not need to think too much. Take another slow breath. One useful question is this. Where are you going? You can use this every day, at home, outside, at work. It is a very easy question. You do not need long answers. You do not need perfect grammar. You can answer simply, I am going home. Clear, natural, enough. Where are you going? I am going home. Sometimes you go to work. You can say, I am going to work. Very simple, very natural. Where are you going? I am going to work. Sometimes you go outside. Sometimes you go to a shop. You can say, I am going outside, or I am going to the store. Short answers are okay. Simple English is okay. Take a breath. You are doing well. Now another question, a very common question. What are you doing? People ask this every day. Friends ask this. Family asks this. You can answer simply, I am practicing. That is enough, very clear. What are you doing? I am practicing. You can also say, I am studying, or I am resting, or I am working. Short answers, easy answers. You do not need to explain everything. You do not need to speak fast. Just speak slowly. Just try. Take another slow breath. You are learning. You are speaking. You are improving. Now one more question, a gentle question. Who are you with? You can use this in daily life. When you meet someone, when you talk to a friend, who are you with? You can answer, I am with my friend, or I am with my family, or I am by myself. Sometimes you are alone. That is okay too. You can say, I am alone. Very natural English, very calm English. Take a breath. These questions are simple. You can use them today. You can use them outside. You can use them at work. You do not need big vocabulary. You do not need complex grammar. Just simple questions, simple answers. If you feel nervous, that is okay. If you feel shy, that is okay. You can speak slowly. You can speak softly. You can try again. Where are you going? I am going home. What are you doing? I am practicing. Who are you with? I am by myself. Very nice. Very clear. You are speaking already. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are trying. Keep your voice calm. Keep your mind calm. English can be gentle. English can be slow. Take another breath. You only need one thing, the courage to try. Where are you going? I am going to work. What are you doing? I am studying. Who are you with? I am with my friend. Good. Very good. Stay calm. Stay here. Where are you going? I am going outside. What are you doing? I am listening. Who are you with? I am with my family. You are doing well. You are learning step by step. Take a slow breath. Where are you going? I am going home. What are you doing? I am practicing. Who are you with? I am by myself. Simple questions, simple answers. Calm English. You can do this. You are doing this. Take another gentle breath. Stay here for a moment. Let your breathing stay soft. You are still in a calm place. You are still learning gently. We can continue with a few more questions. Questions that feel natural in daily life. Questions you may hear outside. Someone might ask you, "Where are you now?" You can answer in a relaxed way. "I am at home." You might be outside. "I am out right now." You might be at work. "I am at work." Your voice can stay quiet. Your pace can stay slow. Take a breath. Another moment. Someone looks at you and asks, "Are you busy?" You can pause before answering, then speak in a calm voice. "I am a little busy." Sometimes you have time. "I am free right now." There is no need to rush. You can speak gently. Let your shoulders relax. Now imagine a different moment. You are talking to someone on the phone. They ask, "What are you doing today?" You do not need long sentences. You can answer softly, "I am working today." Another day. "I am studying today." Sometimes, "I am resting today." Your answers can stay short. Your voice can stay calm. Take another slow breath. Now picture a quiet afternoon. Someone sends you a message. They ask, "Are you at home?" You read the message. You breathe once. Then you answer, "Yes, I am at home." Or you are outside. "I am outside right now." No pressure. No hurry. Just calm speaking. Let your breathing stay steady. Another small question you may hear is this: "What time is it for you?" You look around, you think for a second, then you answer, "It is morning here." Later in the day, "It is evening here." The answer can stay short. The answer can stay soft. You are still practicing. You are still learning. Take a breath. Now imagine meeting a friend. They smile and ask, "Who are you talking to?" You can answer gently, "I am talking to a friend." Another moment. "I am talking to my family." Your voice stays calm, your words stay simple. You do not need to explain everything. You only need to answer, let your breathing slow again. Another soft question. Someone asks, "Are you okay?" You can respond in a quiet voice, "Yes, I am okay." Sometimes you feel tired. "I am a little tired." This is real conversation. This is daily English. You can speak this way. You can answer this way. Stay here for a moment. Let the silence feel calm. You are getting more comfortable. You are getting more confident. A question comes. You pause. You breathe. You answer. That is enough. You are speaking more naturally. You are speaking more calmly. Let everything stay calm. Let the pace stay gentle. You have been listening. You have been speaking softly. You can continue like this. Imagine another quiet moment. You are outside for a while. Someone looks at you and asks, "Are you coming back later?" You can answer in a relaxed way, "Yes, I will come back later." Another time, "I will stay here for a while." Your answer can stay short. Your voice can stay steady. Take a breath. Now imagine someone asks you, "Are you waiting for someone?" You pause for a second, then you answer calmly, "Yes, I am waiting." Or maybe, "No, I am just standing here." Simple words, natural rhythm. Let your shoulders stay loose. Another quiet question appears. "Are you going out today?" You think gently. You answer softly, "Yes, I am going out today." Or, "I am staying in today." Your answers do not need to be long, they only need to be clear enough. Take another slow breath. Now imagine a small conversation. Someone asks you, "Did you have a busy day?" You can answer in a calm tone, "It was a busy day." Another day, "It was a quiet day." Both answers sound natural. Both answers feel easy to say. Let the words come slowly. Another simple moment. Someone asks, "Are you ready?" You can answer gently, "Yes, I am ready." Or, "I need a moment." There is always time to breathe. There is always time to answer. Stay calm. Stay present. You are learning to speak in a softer way. You are learning to answer without pressure. Take a slow breath. Now imagine one more calm exchange. Someone asks, "Are you on your way?" You can respond quietly, "Yes, I am on my way." Or, "I will leave soon." Your voice does not need to be loud. Your pace does not need to be fast. Just steady, just calm. Let your breathing guide you. You have practiced many gentle answers. You have stayed with simple questions. You have kept your voice soft. This is enough for now. You are doing well. Stay here for a moment. Let everything feel quiet. You can keep practicing like this. You can keep speaking this way, slowly, calmly, one sentence at a time. Stay here for a moment. Let the room feel quiet. Today, you stayed with simple questions. You gave yourself time to listen. You gave yourself time to answer. You do not need many words. You do not need fast answers. Where are you going? You can answer calmly. What are you doing? You can answer gently. Who are you with? You can answer in your own way. Small questions can start small conversations. Small conversations can build confidence. You can keep practicing like this, slowly, calmly, without pressure. This is CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. Take one more slow breath. Stay calm. Take your time. We can continue again tomorrow. You can come back and listen anytime. There is no rush. You can move at your own pace. CalmStep English is here with you. You are not learning alone. Rest your voice for now. We will take the next step together.